Your question is, consider the following statements regarding constitutional amendments. 1. In Article 368, two methods of constitutional amendment are mentioned. 2. Constitutional amendment bill can be initiated only in Lok Sabha. 3. In case of any dispute between two houses of parliament on constitutional amendment bill, joint sitting of both houses can be summoned. 4. The president cannot veto a constitutional amendment bill. Which of the statements given above are correct? Your options are A 1 and 2 only, B 1 and 4 only, C 2 and 4 only, or D 2, 3 and 4 only. Right answer is B 1 and 4 only. In Article 368, two methods of constitutional amendment are mentioned, and the president cannot veto a constitutional amendment bill. Your question is, when was the first bill for the amendment of the Indian Constitution presented? Your options are A 1950, B 1951, C 1955, or D 1958. Right answer is B 1951. Your question is, in the event of the upper house rejecting a constitutional amendment bill passed by the lower house, your options are A. The bill will have to be dropped. B. A joint sitting of the both houses of parliament may be convened to consider and pass the bill. C. The bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both the houses of the parliament if the Lok Sabha passes it again by a two-third majority. Or D. The bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both the houses of the parliament despite the disapproval of the bill by the upper house. Right answer is A. The bill will have to be dropped. Your question is, the first constitution amendment bill passed in 1951 was related to. Your options are A. Security of the country, B. Security of the Prime Minister, C. Protection of agrarian reforms in certain states, or D. Scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Right answer is C. Protection of agrarian reforms in certain states. Your question is, the ninth schedule to the Indian Constitution was added by. Your options are A. First Amendment, B. 8th Amendment, C. 9th Amendment, or D. 42nd Amendment. Right answer is A. First Amendment. Your question is, right to education introduced through 86th Amendment came into force. Your options are A in 2002, B in 2004, C in 2008, or D in 2010. Right answer is D in 2010. Your question is, by which constitutional amendment OBCs have been given 27% reservation in the admission to educational institutions? Your options are A 92nd, B 93rd, C 94th, or D 96th. Right answer is B 93rd. Your question is, which constitutional amendment act dealing with National Judicial Appointments Commission was declared unconstitutional by the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court? Your options are A 98th Constitutional Amendment Act, B 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, C 99th Constitutional Amendment Act, or D 100th Constitutional Amendment Act. Right answer is C 99th Constitutional Amendment Act. Your question is, by which one of the following constitutional amendments Delhi became National Capital Region? Your options are A 61st Amendment, B 69th Amendment, C 71st Amendment, or D 79th Amendment. Right answer is B 69th Amendment. Your question is, which of the following has banned floor crossing by the member elected on a party ticket to the legislature? Your options are A 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act, B Representation of Public Law, C 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, or D 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Right answer is A 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act.